guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Peps, and I cannot remember the last time I've stood in front of a camera and vlogged as I am doing right now. And yes, I'm wearing 2 layers because it's going to be cold what we're doing today. I don't know if you guys have heard of George Clist. I'm sure a lot of my followers have, because he's another popular content creator from around here. Well, I'm meeting him today and we're going to drive up to Dartmoor. He's going to drive me because I can't drive yet, unfortunately. And we're going to shoot a short project. That's actually quite a cool cinematic shot. The other one's really big though.
I think we're all set up now. Yo Ben, hop in, let's go to Dartmoor.
I don't know where the lens cap is for that one. Are we doing it? Was that it?
Okay, right, I'll give you more direction this time. Ready? Go. Try it. Okay, and action. One more.
It's not smooth. Like sometimes I clip my finger there and I have to move it around. I need to just grab it like that.
Yeah. And action. I think we've got something. 6 are well good for the lighting. If you go to the left a little bit.
What, here?
Oh, you're right. My bad. You're right. My left. Do you just have a static shot? Should I have like a pushing shot? Or just have a moving?
I think they all need to continue the coming backwards, don't they?
You reckon?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because then it will have the same flow to it.
Yeah.
And then we can change the flow as we get into a car. It's a different scene technically for getting in the car as opposed to the bags, and then we can change the flow in the shot of coming out of here and going to the car. So then I think that would work. And then the going to the car shots are all forward moving shots.
Okay. Action.
Yeah.
One more. Action. And action. Keep coming, keep going.
Finish it off really quick now and then we can get up to Dartmoor because we don't want to waste our Dartmoor time.
Correct.
Because if we take this on for every scene on Dartmoor, we'll be here for weeks.
Yeah, this is getting really ridiculous. And we'll start from here and action. Okay, got it.
Yeah. So you move up and down. You got to move forward with my hand to the handle.
And go.
That seems smooth.
Do you want the hand in focus or the car in focus?
Hand.
Okay, and action. Oh.
Come a bit more forward, so it's just my bag and then it gets wider to show the whole of me getting in.
Fuck, I think you're a bit demanding.
Huh?
No,
I just think it'll look better.
Like that?
Yeah. Tell me when to go.
Okay, and action. Went out of focus, go again. Okay. And action. That looks right. And action. That worked. That's good.
Broken a drone already, first flight of the day, 30 seconds in, and I flew into a tree and broke the propellers. So it's only going to be George's drone flying about for the rest of the day, I guess.
I'm actually really nervous, man. Right, ready? We're going through.
Yeah. It's not that bad.
It's bad. Oh my god, it's bad. It went over the bonnet. That's bad. That's not good.
We didn't get stuck though, so that's a good thing.
Yeah.
We have an exaggeration.
That was actually scared of it. Bloody sheep. Sheep that stuck off the moor.
So far so good. Probably can't help me because it's windy, but I'm going to get a car photo. We've got multiple photos around the area here. A few portraits and stuff. Haven't really properly started filming. However, we're going to get onto a couple more locations, and that's when we're going to be doing filming, etc. We've basically done a whole sequence outside my house where we did... Huh? Yeah, perfect. We did like a sequence outside my house, which you'll see at the start of the video, and it goes into a car sequence, and now we need to like do a lot of filming on Dartmoor. Kind of wasted a lot of time taking photos and stuff around here, so we really... It's not exactly straight though, it's like veering off to an angle. So we need to get a lot of filming done in the last 2 or 3 hours that we have left on Dartmoor. Yeah, it's been sick so far.
Yeah, I'm actually going to go now.
Yeah, we're actually going to be late.
Yeah, running out of time.
Becoming a bit of an eventful day now. Leaked coffee everywhere. May have had another problem. Should I say about the car problem or not? A bit of plastic fell down when we went through a bit of a pothole. So the bottom of the car grounded out in the pothole. I don't know if they'll be able to hear because it's quite windy. My coffee's leaked in my bag. I've forgotten to put milk in it in the first place, so it's just black coffee, which I'm not even going to drink. Just as long as it stays leaking in this bag and nowhere else, I don't really care. But yeah, eventful.
I don't know where we go. Timer.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, why is it... The sunset behind me looks amazing on the camera. Yeah, it's really weird. So we're at location 3 of the day now. You can see it behind me. Dartmoor on Dartmoor. It's this 12th century church, which is actually pretty cool. It's like the most amazing place to build a church because of these views around. Similar views on the other side, but can't really see it over the rock at the moment. Been taking some photos here. George flew the drone as well. And apparently he's got some really, really good footage from that, and I've got to get down without slipping. We're gonna see if we can make it to a tour before it gets dark, and that'll be location 4. George! I got it on camera as well.
That happened to us here, but he fully like wiped out.
I didn't even like react, I was so calm, I was just like, well, that's happened. Yeah, I know. So, yeah, I slept over as well. Look at this view, this is incredible. The colours in the sky look amazing on the camera.
Yeah, they will, they look so good.
Yeah. What a view behind me. What a place to vlog.
It's looking better now on the other side.
Huh? That's a ridiculous view behind me. Definitely will go in my 2020 video if I do one. Anyway, we're going to head to the tour, see if we can get to a tour before it starts getting dark. If we can, then we'll get some shots there. That'll be location 4 of this shoot of this video. And definitely the last one of the day, so let's see if we can beat the dark time without me slipping again.
Let's go to Dartmoor.